Hey guys, it's your girl Nikki Marie, and I'm here to put you guys onto some new free game. If you're anything like me, you have family and friends that live in Jamaica and you love to have things shipped to them. Well, I'm here to tell you about Island Shippers. They're about to be your new go-to for all your international shipping needs for Jamaica. Yup, that's right. Anywhere in the world, straight to Jamaica. Or if you already live in Jamaica, you could actually shop online and have things shipped straight to your door. I'll catch this. They even have a flat rate food box. Yup, you can buy groceries online on Senegal, you know. But to top it off, they're fast, efficient, and affordable. So with 5 simple steps, you sign up for free, yes, free, you get your US address, and you can start shopping and shipping. So make sure you guys visit their website at islandshipper.com or visit their Instagram at islandshipperjam. Can't say I ain't put you guys on.